Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a blues lady comb. Now, knowing how to do a lady comb, a standard one, would be quite helpful. I'll put a link in the description below in case you want to go back and look at that so it's easy and quick for you to find. But we're going to jump straight in. It looks like this. It goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it's a bit of a different feel to a normal comb. It's right to right as it would be with a normal comb. You're going to come off the return. If we did a normal lady comb, we would be here making this loop and taking it over the lady's head. But we're going to do the blues version, which means instead of going this side of the arm, we have to go this side of the arm, which means we're going to be turning the lady a little bit to the left. We're going to collect her shoulder with the left hand to help guide everything. We're going to leave the lady's palm pointing out to her left, and the guys are going to go up over the top, so our fingertips are down, so we can take the hand over the top. So it's the guy's arm that goes over the top, lady's arm is across her chest, and from here we can lead the lady back, slide and catch with the left hand. Okay, so let's do it again from the other side, and we're going to think numbers. So we go back 1, return 2, comb 3 and back 4. So let's try it together, nice and slow. It's 5, 6, a blues lady comb. We go a back, return, comb, and away. Okay, that's it. Simple as that. Quickie, this one. Do like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Notification bell means you'll get told every time a new video comes out. Liking and subscribing helps promote what we're doing, so thank you to everyone who does that. Music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice this too, so it's just a link to a music video in the windows that come up at the end. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.